Real age of Bollywood young actress. Sara Ali Khan. Another youngster of Bollywood, Sara is going to be 25 in this year. This charming lady was born on 12th August 1995. Janhvi Kapoor. Janhvi Kapoor is one of the promising young face of Bollywood who is now 23 years old. She was born on 6th March 1997. Alia Bhatt. Alia got immense success at her very young age. This actress turned into 27 in this year. She was born on 15th March 1993 in Mumbai. Kriti Sanon. Youth icon Kriti was born on 27 July 1990. As per her birthday, she is just 29 years old. Tara Sutaria. Student of the Year to famed girl Tara is now 24 as she was born on 19th November 1985. Khushi Kapoor. Janhvi's younger sister Khushi is 4 years younger than her. Khushi is now 19 years. Radhika Madan. Cute and charming Radhika Madan is very popular among youth. She is 25 years old. Shraddha Kapoor. Shraddha is blessed with her ageless beauty as we can't really guess her age. Shraddha is now 33 this year. She was born on 3rd March 1987. Disha Patani. Hot and sizzling actress Disha was born on 13 June 1992. This actress is just 27 years old. Ileana D'Cruz. Not many people can guess her real age as this actress is already in her 30s. Super hot and elegant Ileana is now 33 years old. Yami Gautam. She has not been seen frequently in Bollywood, but this actress has her own charm and beauty. Yami doesn't look 31 years old. Parineeti Chopra. Parineeti is going to be 31 on 18th July this year. Her charming beauty doesn't reveal her real age. Athiya Shetty. Athiya tried really hard to be successful at very young age. She is now 27. Pranutan Bail. One film old Pranutan is daughter of Monish Bail. She is now 28 years old. Sania Malhotra. Dangal famed actress Sania is now 28. She has already done many remarkable films in Bollywood. Taapsee Pannu. Thappad famed actress Taapsee is now 32 years old. She was born on 1st August 1987. Rakul Preet Singh. Sizzling actress Rakul got immense love and support at very young age. She is 29 years old. Kiara Advani. New sensation of Bollywood, Kiara is 32 years old. She was born on 31st July 1992. Shruti Hassan. Kamal Hassan's elder daughter Shruti was born on 28 January 1986. She turned 34 this year. Urvashi Rautela. Urvashi always hides her real age from Bollywood media. This stunning actress is now 25. Bhumi Pednekar. Talented actress Bhumi is immensely popular for her acting skill and she got her success at 30. Moni Roy. Bitter truth is multiple plastic surgeries cannot hide her real age. This actress is 34 years old now. Vaani Kapoor. Vaani has her own charm but she doesn't look like her age. Her shocking real age is 31. Radhika Apte. Exceptional talented actress Radhika Apte is 34 years old. She was born on 7th September 1985. Mithila Palekar. Cute-looking Mithila Palekar is just 26 years old. This youth icon has won millions' heart at very young age. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.